Hello everyone, my name is Salman Hakim. This presentation is for MGMT 619 Project and Change Management. The purpose of this presentation is to share with you all the lessons learned from Project and Change Management class. Before I begin this presentation, I would like to thank our instructor, Dr. B, my wonderful team members Jody, Madison, and Michael. In this presentation, I will go over the course scope and some lessons learned. As you can see, listed are some of the lessons learned, which includes but are not limited to project initiation, scope, time, project charter, cost and quality, project team, communication plan, risk analysis, project work, and change management. Let's go over a brief overview. In this course, I learned comprehensive knowledge regarding managing projects within an organization. Furthermore, I also learned skills required for project integration, scope, time, cost, and quality control. The class also involved procedure for effective risk management activities, managing changes, and successfully solving challenges working with teams. The project initiation phase is the beginning of the project. Through this class, I learned that the goal of this phase is to examine the feasibility of the project. In addition, in this phase, decisions are made regarding who is to carry out the project, determining which parties to be involved and whether the project has an adequate base of supports among the stakeholders. In this phase, it is highly recommended for teams to answer some of the questions that could be: what is the feasibility of this project? What are the possible partners in this project? What should a completed project look like? What are the boundaries of the project, that is, determining what is in scope and what is out scope for this project? I also learned the importance of project integration management for the success for any project. Project integration management is a collection of processes required to ensure that the various elements of the projects are properly coordinated. It involves development, integrating, and coordinating all project plans to create a consistent, coherent document for carrying out the project plan, according to the strategy plan and activities per the original plan. In this course, I also learned the importance of project scope management for the success for any project. A project scope ensures that the project is well defined and mapped accurately. In this class, I also learned the importance of project time management for the success for any project. This process is extremely important to be an effective project manager. Ignoring this step can negatively affect those individuals who have the habit of overlooking or forgetting to do some action items, thus making people in the organization to begin lose confidence in the project manager. I also learned the importance of project cost management for the success for any project. Over the course of the project, it is important to analyze the current status against the baseline to determine any cost variance for the project by answering some questions like: is the project cost progressing as planned? Is the project cost meeting quality targets? I also learned the importance of project risk management for the success for any project. Risk management is the process of identifying, analyzing, and responding to risk factors throughout the life of a project. Proper risk management implies control of possible future events and is proactive rather than reactive. Identifying the risk in the project early can not only reduce the likelihood of an event occurring, but also the magnitude of its impact. In this class, I also learned the importance of project quality management for the success for any project. Some of the important quality management concepts that are necessary for any project include customer satisfaction, prevention over inspection, and always continuous improvement. In this class, I also learned the importance of project human resource management. This is the process required to make the most effective use of the people involved in the project. It includes all the project stakeholders, sponsors, customers, partners, individual contributors, performing organization, project, and team members. I also learned the importance of project communication management for the success for any project. Communication management process is a step that needs to be adopted for every project in an organization. This process ensures that stakeholders are kept regularly informed. To conclude this presentation, I would like to provide an overview of everything that I learned in this class, which includes comprehensive knowledge regarding managing project within an organization, skills required for project integration, scope, time, quality, and cost control, procedures for effective risk management activities and managing the changes in the organization, challenges faced in working with users team, training, documentation, and the change management roles. Thank you all for listening to my presentation. I hope that you really liked my presentation. Have a wonderful rest of the day and happy holidays.